They say into your earth, romance game.
From 0 to 100. As you can see, the mods are working really well. We've got a ton of wheel spin in first and second. So much wheel spin that it tried to make a third gear shift, wasn't able to complete the third gear shift and downshifted again. I'm going to try to get a better set of tires on this thing so I can show you guys some better street results. On the quarter mile, we don't have near any of these problems when we are on a prepped surface and stuff like that, but we're expecting to start running into traction issues. So going to be putting some better tires on the rear of the Stinger. Again, the current car setup is front mount intercooler intakes, secondary cat deletes, and muffler deletes. Hopefully you're able to hear the interior of the car. I have all the windows rolled up. So stay tuned for our next 0 to 100 acceleration test, hopefully with less wheel spin. Thanks for watching, guys.